everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. Now you are on our 12 days of Christmas. Alright, so are you ready for 12 days of Christmas craft? It's day number 10 of our Christmas craft. Are you ready? Alright, so it's another day of craft, and today we're going to make a snowflake. Now, we know we don't have snow in Trinidad, but we can have fun making them anyway, okay? So what you would need is a piece of paper. If your Q-tips are white like mine, you can get a different color paper, or make sure and color the background of your paper. If your Q-tips are white, you can color it blue, you can color it green, any color you want to color it. Alright, so I'm using some of my cotton buds. You would need 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have 6 cotton buds, a piece of paper. You will need scissors, safety scissors, and some glue. Alright, and a little piece of string to hang it up when you're done. Alright, so let's start by getting our paper ready. And then we're going to put our star exactly how we want it on our paper. Start by making a line up, a line across. Right, so that looks good. So we're going to start by gluing it in place. Right, so you put the glue exactly where you put your Q-tip and keep going around. Right. There we go. For the other two, I want you to take your Q-tips and cut them in half. So you're going to cut it right here. Nice. And we're going to put our snowflake together. I'm just going to add them here. You can put them anywhere you feel like putting them. There we go. Look at that, we made a snowflake. Now you can add a little bit more if you want. Let me show you by cutting them again. You can make it a little bit more fancy because you know snowflakes have pretty patterns. So you could even come at the end of your piece here, add some glue, and just make it even more nice. Look at that. Doesn't that look fun? Maybe I should do it on the other side. So yeah, you can use how many cotton buds you want to. You could leave it at 6. Or you can add even more and have fun with it. Now you can do it however you would like. So if you want to just use 6 like I started off with, you can do that. Right, so I actually think that looks really good here. So I'm going to leave it just like this. Now of course you can even decorate it even more. If you have glitter, you can put glitter. If you have, I have some glitter here. I have some blue glitter actually, so maybe I could try putting some glitter. I'll put a little glitter maybe over here. I think that will look nice. Yeah. Add some glitter right there. See that? So I'm gonna sprinkle it just like you sprinkle salt. Ooh, I like how that looks. Alright, lovely. So I've done my glitter. Shake it off. And there we go. Look at my snowflake. That looks great. So I'm going to leave this to dry, and then I can probably stick it up on the fridge. If you want, you could add a piece of string and make it like an ornament for your Christmas tree. If you want to decorate your room above your bed, all of those things. So it's anything that you want to do with your snowflake, you can do that. Alright? So I hope you enjoyed today's craft time, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.